Hello dear friends, this is Alex, and it's one of those sunny, beautiful days in China when you want to get out and explore. Today I would like to show you YueJiangLu Park in Nanjing. Let's go. YueJiang Tower, that's the one that we just visited. It appears to be not only a park, it appears to be a scenic spot. This tower is about 79 meters above the sea and it's about 100 years old. As you could see on the video, the view is just stunning. It's amazing. I also want to draw your attention to the landscape designing. This is pretty normal in China. After 18 years, I'm not really surprised to see all those bushes neatly cut, and the variety of plants around is just amazing. But if you haven't seen things like that, it's mind-blowing. Every visit, this guy is shouting, every visit to a park is like a little tour. It's like a little getaway place where you really forget about your daily daily thoughts and thoughts about work and such. You just relax your mind here and you feel so nice and serene. It's nice to come here and read a book or make music or just sit and stare in the distance in a wistful way. Great stuff.